Hey, okay, front wheel removal. Um, this little Allen head bolt lives in the end of the axle down here. So very straightforward to undo that with a normal Allen key. That comes out. You then have two pinch bolts, again Allen heads on either side. Loosen those off. The axle's now loose and free to come out. I've got my centre jack underneath. So I'll just take the weight off. Everything's solid. We're good. I've got a 17-inch custom alloy rim on this, but it's a DS14. Everything else is pretty much standard, but I have changed the wheels, but that doesn't make any difference to this process. Little nudge. Axle comes straight out. I'm really tight on this disc caliper now because of my rims. So if I remember rightly, let me go right up. Actually, I have to take the caliper off. That's right. You shouldn't have to take the caliper off on a standard bike from memory. The wheel's bigger, of course, so you'll have more room to play with, but with this rim it's as big as we can squeeze in, so there's no spare space. These are normally the stock bolts are all shit on this bike, so like everything else I've replaced them with high strength stainless steel. Caliper off, wheel out. It's actually a very easy job to do on this bike. It's good. There you go. Now to swap the disc, got the boards ready. Need a nice secure base to work on. Those bolts around the disc are also absolute trash on the stock bike. I've already swapped these once. I'm about to put my new ones in. I'll give you a look at that.